Digital Oscilloscope Kit. Digital Oscilloscope Kit with 2.4-inch TFT LCD and probe test clip. The DSO 138 is a popular and affordable digital oscilloscope kit designed for electronics enthusiasts, hobbyists, and students who want to learn about and experiment with oscilloscopes. In this video, you will learn some basic features and information about the DSO 138. It is a compact and portable device used to visualize and analyze electrical signals. Unlike traditional analog oscilloscopes, it utilizes digital processing for signal display. Affordable DIY kit. The DSO 138 is often available as a DIY kit, which means users have to assemble it themselves. This not only makes it cost-effective, but also provides a valuable learning experience in electronics assembly. 2.4-inch TFT LCD display. It features a 2.4-inch color, thin-film transistor, TFT LCD screen for displaying waveforms and measurements clearly. Measurement capabilities. The DSO 138 typically offers features like adjustable vertical sensitivity, time-based range, and trigger settings. It allows users to observe and measure various signal parameters, such as voltage, frequency, and waveform shape. Versatile trigger modes includes automatic, regular, and one-shot for capturing various waveforms. Customizable inputs. Educational tool. The DSO 138 is commonly used as an educational tool in electronics and engineering courses, allowing students to gain hands-on experience with oscilloscopes and signal analysis. Versatile applications and portability in troubleshooting electronic circuits, examining audio and video waveforms, analyzing power supplies, and more. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for on-the-go electronics projects, fieldwork, and benchtop testing. You can find detailed specifications of the digital storage oscilloscope in the video's description. Join the Hobby Electro Lab channel now to explore exciting DIY electronics projects, learn new skills, and connect with fellow hobbyists.